to my kitchen for Wellness Wednesday. I'm Brittany, your Stop and Shop dietitian. One thing that I always hear from people is, I just don't have time for breakfast. I'm here to show you a quick and easy recipe that uses just 5 ingredients. Plus, you'll have leftovers for the rest of the week. This egg cup recipe is packed with high quality protein, vitamins and minerals, and healthy fats. Before we start, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I'm also going to spray my muffin tin with cooking spray. You can also use reusable cooking liners if that's easier for you. So for today's fillings, I'm using diced up bell pepper, spinach, chopped onion, and a little bit of cheddar cheese. The great thing about this recipe is you can really use any vegetables that you have in your fridge. You can even add in any of your family's favorite breakfast meats. All right, so my vegetables are already chopped up here. Stop and Shop actually has tons of pre-cut veggies that really help save you time, and you can buy them whole as well. Eggs are a really great, low-cost, high-quality protein. The yolk is filled with vitamins and minerals. B vitamins, vitamin A, zinc, choline. You know, the list really goes on. They are such a nutrient powerhouse. Once all 12 are in here, you can just start whisking. Next, we're gonna come over and start dividing up our vegetables. Not only do these bell peppers add a nice color, they're another source of vitamins and minerals. All right, next I'll jump to the onions here. This recipe is really highly adaptable. You know, a lot of kids might not like the strong flavor of onion. You can mix in their favorites as well. Okay, last I'm gonna sprinkle some spinach. What's fun with the muffin tins as well is you can mix and match. That's where it really can be customizable and work for you and your family. So I'm just going to start pouring a little bit into each tin. These will rise as they bake, so you want to make sure you leave a little bit of room for that. I almost always forget to sprinkle a little bit of cheese, but we all know that's the best part. So make sure you sprinkle a little bit on top of each one. This is probably the most fun part, so you can always have your kids get involved with this. I think they love seeing all the toppings come together. All right, so as you can see, this was really simple and quick prep, and we're ready to throw these in the oven. They'll bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until the centers are set. It's been about 25 minutes and these are looking really good. Feel free to add toppings too when you serve them. I hope these egg cups help with your busy mornings. Go to our website to get the recipe at stopandshop.com/nutrition. You'll also find other helpful information and my contact information. Thanks for joining me today and look forward to seeing you next Wednesday.